this is Nyasa Singh. Welcome you all to RES News channel. Top news headlines of this week are as follows. Starting with school news, admission opens 2026-27 Raj English School. Educational trip to Vindhyachal at 4th December. CBSE news, practical exams and internal assessment begin. Mandatory teacher training for skill education launched. National news, President Murmu's historic submarine sorties. 5th National Conference for Chief Secretaries. International news, Zohran Mamdani sworn in as New York City's 112th mayor in historic. China reclassifies silver as strategic material, sparking global supply crisis. Entertainment news, Avatar first Fire and Ash dominate global box office. Prabhas gritty spirit poster revealed. Sports news, Magnus Carlsen wins World Blitz title. Australia finalized T20 World Cup squad as Indian women complete clean sweep against Sri Lanka. Scout and Guide news, Global Jam Camp 2025-26 New Year celebration in Colombia. V8 Triple GS opens 2026 Global Advocacy Championship application. Educational news, PM Shua 3.0 result declared for young authors. School closure extended due to severe cold waves. Other news, UK implements stricter English and financial rule for student visas. Andhra Pradesh expand PM Shri school and vocational subjects. Let's meet after a short break. Let's know these headlines in detail. School news, admission are open for the academic session 2026-27 for classes PG to class 9th and 11th. Raj English School is organizing an educational trip to Vindhyachal on 4th December. The trip aims to provide students with cultural, historical and educational explorer in the fun learning environment. CBSE news, effective January 1st, 2026, practical examination and internal assessment has officially commenced for all CBSE affiliated schools excluding winter-bound areas, with a completion deadline of February 14, 2026. CBSE issued a circular on December 31, 2025 announcing a mandatory face-to-face training for teachers starting January 5, 2026 to align middle school vocational exposure with the National Educational Policy 2020. National news, on December 28, President Draupadi Murmu became the second Indian president to undertake a sea sortie in a submarine embarking on INS Vaganashri at Karwara Naval Base. She is the first head of state to sail in an indigenous Kalaveri class submarine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired this two-day conference in Delhi, December 27-28, emphasizing cooperative federalism and the role of younger generation in achieving the Viksit Bharat goal. International news, on January 1, 2026, Zohran Mamdani became the first Muslim and South Asian mayor of NYC, taking his private midnight oath on acquiring in a decommissioned history subway station. Effective January 1, 2026, China implements a strict exposure licensing system for silver to prioritize its own high-tech sectors, causing global price to surge towards record high. Entertainment news, James Cameron's Three-Quarrel maintained a powerful hold over a holiday session, crossing over $794 million worldwide. It is projected to soon surpass Justice World Rebirth to become one of the top 5 highest grossing film of 2025. Director Sandeep Reddy Wagner released the first look for Spirit, the featuring bruised Prabhas alongside Tripti Dimri. The raw imagery has already sparked viral comparison to the 2023 film Animal. Sports news, Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen made a spectacular comeback to win a record-extending 9th World Blitz Championship title. India's Arjun Erigaisi has secured a bronze medal in the event. The Indian women's team achieved a dominant 5-0 series whitewash in their T20 series against Sri Lanka. Scout and Guide news. Over 2,000 scouts gathered in a Sally for the Inter-American Scout Jamboree Jam Camp to welcome 2026 with a cultural celebration focused on America's United for Peace and Continental Unity. The World Association of Girl Guide and Girl Scout VAGGS is now accepting application for young women to advocate for gender equality and girls' rights at international forum throughout 2026. Educational news. The government announced 43 winners for the PM JUA 3.0 scheme on December 30, 2025. Selecting people writers across 22 Indian languages and English to foster a global reading culture. Multiple states including Punjab, Haryana and Assam has extended winter vacation or ordered school closure until at least January 6, 2026 due to dense fog and extreme cold weather. Other news. Effective January 8, 2026, all international student applicants must pass a mandatory secure English language test CELT at a B2 level. Additionally, the UK has increased the required maintenance money financial proof for all students entering the 2026 intake. State authorities confirmed that 935 schools are now being developed under the PM-SHRI scheme to provide smart classrooms and digital laboratories. Vocational subject will also become mandatory for SSC board exams starting next year academic year. That's all for today and stay tuned with Aryas News channel.